Okay, today we are going to work on getting our composition notebook set up. You'll probably hear us call it interactive notebook a lot. So things that you need to have at your desk ready to go before we get started. You need a composition notebook. We are going to be using wide rule just so we can see our work better when we do math problems. So wide rule composition notebook, check. Pair of scissors, check. Glue stick, check. And then those of you that are in class will receive one of these papers for table of contents. Now if you have time, we can get it set up where it looks all pretty, has your name on the outside so you can identify yours, you know it's yours. You will be using this every single day in class. It will be a reference guide for you to refer back to for notes, to use on your homework, possibly even for test. So this is extremely important. You must have this with you at all times for math. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this table of contents. Obviously, it's not going to fit into our notebook, so we're going to cut around the edges and then we will glue it in. When we glue it in, we're going to glue around the edges and maybe just put an X through the middle. You do not have to cover every inch of the paper with glue because you're going to be responsible for glue sticks. We can't share them, so you need to be wise with how much you use.
All right, at-home learners, you're not going to be provided with this paper, which is fine. It works perfectly without. Ms. Robinson just likes using it. And you're going to do the same. You're going to write your name at the top. You're going to put what it is, math class, and then the period that you have with me in math or Ms. Robinson would be helpful. That way, if you did end up coming back, who knows what the future looks like, it's best to have what class you have with it and keep yourself organized. Open it up. You're going to write date and then draw a line down that red line. And in this column right here, you will fill all your dates in. And the middle part, you're going to write topic and draw a line at the end there. The middle will be every math topic that we go over for the entire year. On the side, you will write page. This is the last column, and you will be putting what page you refer to within your journal. So again, date, the whole top line is underlined. Date on the left, topic in the middle, and page on the right. You will do that for the next 3 pages. And we're talking about front, back, and front again. We do not skip pages in our journal. Every one of them needs to be covered. So we will write something on every page. Important. Use a pencil when doing this. If you happen to be using a marker or a pen, it will bleed through and you won't be able to understand what you have written on the back of that page. Make sure in math class you are all using pencils. See, because they have pencil lead and an eraser. That's really helpful too. We all make mistakes. Thank you.